Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now by making safe, focused preparations. First, park on a level surface and set the parking brake. Check tire pressure to factory PSI because uneven pressure skews readings. Once done, lift the front with a jack and support on rated stands, then remove the front wheels so you can access suspension points. Next, use a caster gauge or alignment tool to measure the existing caster angle in degrees. Record both sides. Since symmetry is the goal and initial numbers guide every adjustment. You now perform the core adjustment. Identify how your car changes caster, cam bolts, eccentric bushings, or adjustable control arms, and work on one side at a time. Loosen the relevant mounting bolts just enough to allow movement, then move the arm forward to reduce caster or rearward to increase caster. Small changes of about 0.5 degrees per iteration are typical. Make the change, torque bolts to the manufacturer specification, and remeasure both sides, because matching within 1/10 of a degree, and you finish by reinstalling the wheels, lowering the car, and torquing lug nuts to factory spec. Then take a controlled road test to judge straight line stability and steering return. If you see pulling or vibration, make sure to recheck caster measurements, then verify toe and camber and confirm ride height. Worn bushings or ball joints often mimic caster problems. If adjustments don't cure the issue, take the vehicle to a professional alignment rack. Precision gear can resolve stubborn mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.